Hi everybody, and welcome back to a video that I'm not really sure what it's gonna be, what it is. I haven't seen anyone else do this, but I'm trying it. I went and got, not this one, we had this one before. I went and got some plain Christmas paper, like just blank brown paper, and I went and got some green as well, just plain green. And I'm going to make my own Christmas paper. You heard me right. I might like paint things on the paper, like a scenery or something, and I'm gonna search those up. I might do some Bob Ross one. I might do Color by Felix. If you don't know who he is, he's so talented, it's insane. And I love him because he works with acrylics, and so do I. I've loved every painting I've seen him make on his YouTube channel. I will link it down below. And I think I might do one of his or something more simple because I am doing a few, but we'll see what we do with the patterns. I might just make some trees, maybe some little presents. So I'm opening one of these up. I haven't put any paint down, I haven't done any of that. I'm trying to figure out how much space I will need on the table in front of me. And I'm probably just gonna fast play most of this, or I don't really know how much I'll show you. Ooh, this is pretty thin. I might need to cover the table with something first. I just realized that I am going to run out of tape, first of all. I'm gonna wrap this box. I taped it shut. For this little one, this little guy, I'm gonna measure out the paper I need and then just paint on the paper. And then I'm gonna just, I think, do some snowy trees on the paper and wrap it around it. Let it dry first, obviously. I'm not gonna show you what's inside it, but I mean, you can Google that if you want to see. How much do we need? Like to there. Oh, and this one can be used for that. Oh my god, yes! Okay. Pretty sure we need to put something underneath this so that it doesn't stain the table. Let's see if we can make something on this. We're gonna start with some paints. Oh shit. Is that paint all over my hand? How did that get there? I'm just gonna try to mix something up for the stem. You're gonna see this a bit from the side, but you're gonna have to live with it because I don't have anything to make it look different right now. This is just how you're gonna see it. And then we're gonna make a darker one as well because we're gonna use this light one for contrasts in the trees. And this one is gonna be the stem, or like the actual tree and the branches. It's gonna be way darker. And you always want to go carefully with the really dark colors, obviously, because it's really hard to go lighter after you've gone dark, especially with like black. You can't really, like, there's no going back. So be careful or be mindful of that. Just using a little round brush, and I'm just gonna make some snowy trees. Are the two next to each other. Not sure what I'm doing on that one yet, but I think these are the only three I'm going to do. I wanted to do one with little Christmas presents on it, which I might still do, but I'm kind of running low on time because we're going on vacation. So this might be it for this one time. So I've now done these. I have one drying that isn't here right now. I mean, I didn't paint that one. Sorry, don't look at it. I'm also not that proud of that one. I was kind of in a rush. Okay, so here we have the little tree with the, I don't know if you can see that, but these little dots are reflective. Oh, there you can kind of see. This is the tree that barely shows, and instead of the star, I put the little thing in front of it. I didn't paint this one, sorry. Found that one too late. These are the trees that I did. They're trees with the little reflective things on there too. And here is the one that I'm not really proud of and I'm not really showing you, so I'll put the penguin over it so no one will really look at it up close. Okay, so that's that. I'm really sorry that this was late. With that said, I really hope you enjoyed, and that's all for me this time. Like and subscribe, please leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Bye!